Hey guys, welcome back to Fusion by Lucy, and thanks to everyone who has been liking, sharing, and subscribing to our channel and loving our videos. We really missed this part of talking to you guys, directly sitting in our balcony. So that is what we are repeating again. And today the topic is very different and it seems to be really funny for me. I don't know how you guys will take it. But today we are going to discuss the technical glitch that we have been facing here in Senegal. There have been n number of examples that we can give, and Sharma ji will do the most talking today because I have a little cold and nothing to worry about it.
There's no corona. Maybe this is corona.
No. There is no corona. I am completely fine. Basically, Mr. Sharma wants to get me quarantined so that he has some good times.
ऐसी किस्मत का है हमारी. काश.
Wow.
Okay, guys.
I'm a
So
very strong woman. I'll not let you go like that.
let you go where? It's a lockdown in the night. I can't go anywhere in the night also.
Yeah.
Anyways.
So people, it's a lockdown here in Senegal from 8 to 5 o'clock.
Yes.
Yeah. So there he goes. Nowhere to go.
So guys, what we are talking today is about the technical problem we face here. I'll give you one recent example what is happening to me right now also. So what happened last Friday, my car, I was going somewhere, in between my car got breakdown. And then I have to call mechanic. I called one mechanic and he came there and he checked the car, he diagnosed, and he was very smart guy and he diagnosed everything, every bit of my car, every engine, everywhere from bottom to down, everywhere he went to the car to understand, and he didn't understand anything. Then I have to call on one more mechanic who is more older and experienced guy. Then he came to check my car. He checked my car. He says, Saurabh, there is a problem about your gearbox. I think the gearbox has a problem. I might need to replace it. I said, oh, what? Come on, you have to replace it. Why? Do something. Go check at least. He said, okay, let me take the car to the garage and let me diagnose the car. Then he said, okay, I have to take out the gearbox to see what is the problem. Then he take out the gearbox. He checked the problem. He took 3 days to take out the gearbox from the this engine. And after taking out that gearbox, he says the gearbox doesn't have a problem. The problem maybe is in the electronic part. So I need to check the electronic part now. He put the gearbox back again. He took 2 days to put it back. Then 5 days already been the problem with the electronic part. I need to change the electronic part. So today he got the electronic part. I don't know. Still there is no solution from him yet. So you see the 6 days, there is no solution. So technical things are little difficult here. Why difficult? I don't have an answer for that, because maybe they don't have a habit of repairing the things. They have a habit of changing the thing. Let me replace. A problem with the engine, let change the complete engine out. So this kind of things happen here. Lucy also have some experience about her day-to-day life, what kind of problems she face. So let her also give you little information on it.
Yeah, I'll try and speak as much as I can.
She speak very much anyways, no? Not maybe.
Not today. Okay. So, guys, what happened once we were planning for a party at our place, and suddenly the morning of the party day, our toilet flush. हिंदी में क्या बोलते हैं उसको?
फ्लश करो, उसे हटाओ यार, पता नहीं क्या बोलते हैं उसको. पानी डालने वाला यंत्र.
Okay, yantra. Okay. So, the flush stopped working, and we had to get this fixed. So I told Mr. Sharma that please go and get a plumber. He got the plumber instantly, and the plumber reached us 11 o'clock at our place. And we were busy in cooking, shooking, and I have to do all the cooking, and Sharma ji hardly working.
She just be there कि किचन गंदा ना हो. कुकिंग तो मैं ही कर रहा होता हूँ, बस किचन ना गंदा हो, उसे देखती रहती है बेटी.
Bakwas. Okay, someday I'll show you how I cook. So this guy came at 11 o'clock and we got busy with our arrangements. And at around 2 o'clock, we realized that, is it fixed? We went up to check and he said, Madam Don Moa Empata means give me some time. I'll fix it. We said, okay, we know that these guys will take a lot of time, and we give them that time and space. Then suddenly we again got busy, and at 5:30, I said, Saurabh, has the plumber gone? He said, no. He also forgot about it completely. And then we climbed up again and went to the toilet. The moment we entered the toilet, You want to say about it?
Okay, the moment we enter the toilet, there was a passage in the toilet when you enter there, and from the outside of the toilet, I see there is my commode is lying somewhere else. My commode was not here before. Then I asked him, "What did you do to the commode?" He said, "No, I don't understand the problem, so I take out the commode to understand the complete problem." I said, "You don't have to do that. You don't have to understand complete. It's just a flush problem. You have to change this flush maybe." But this guy maybe tried doing it, and while doing it, he broke that thing, or what happened. And after Lucy got mad, and Lucy will tell you how she got mad there.
Yeah, so I entered and I saw that the toilet seat was not at the place it is supposed to be, and it was somewhere else. In 2 hours, there were people supposed to come to our place, and shall we arrange for food or for toilet? I mean, it was really a messed up situation. And
भसोड़ा ना भसुड़ी पैगी हमारे दिल्ली में बोलते हैं भसुड़ी मतलब too much chaos.
then I yelled at that person, and that person was sweet enough. And
Was not sweet enough. She was not yelling at him. She was yelling at me because she was very new. She doesn't know that much French. So she was shouting on me, "Oh, what did you do? Why did you ask this guy? He doesn't know the work." And that guy understood, and he was also married, so he understood more deeply. अगर मैंने ये घर आज काम नहीं किया, लौंडे के साथ कांड हो जाएगा. तो बेचारा he went to the market. He was so kind. He went to the market. He bought second-hand commode and he replaced it with the broken one. Not asking money because he said, "I will not pay you a single penny." Then, but I paid him money. I said, "Okay, this much money maybe gonna cost you. Take this money."
I came new, so he was used to all these things, and I wasn't. So I took some time.
We try to communicate and tell anything, we try to tell them again and again so that we doesn't make any error. Because see, we also come from the English background kind of country where we speak English. They understand French or their local language, right? And we speak that language, but not that frequent. If you अगर अब मैं बोलूँ कि हम बोल लेते हैं तो हम बोल लेते हैं, काम चल जाता है. It's not my first language, so we are learning. We are still learning, and we are learning from our son. He goes to school. He knows better French than us. If you have to live in Africa or this country, you have to be very, very.
You need to have a lot of patience. You need to learn meditation and do yoga, because the
And
Indian
sometime you
people-
do 5 times a yoga a day, because when you have 5 problems maybe in a day.
Yeah, and the problems are like you will think, oh my God, this could have happened in just just like that. It's a cakewalk. But no. You have to be patient. You have to give them that credit and time. It's a developing place, and people are learning. So, but the thing is that people are kind. People are helpful.
People are
In
kind.
India, you'll find people who know you, but they will not come and help you. But here, you'll go on the road. If you are a penny short, the other person would have only 1 penny, but he will give it to you.
Yeah, very good.
They are very kind.
They don't have money, but they don't only think about money, huh?
So that is what we wanted to tell you about, that have a lot of patience in your pocket and learn meditation skills. It is important for your health also, and it will benefit you here in Africa. That's about it, about the video today. And people, please, I am finding a lot of people in India are not watching our videos. So
How are you finding that? Hey, come on, don't say. Everyone is watching, right? I trust them.
okay, even I trust you guys. Please watch our videos, like, share,
subscribe.
and subscribe.
And press that bell icon. the
bell
button.
icon, घंटी बजा देना.
बोल रहे घंटा हम घंटी बजाएंगे. मैं ये बोलने वाला था. नहीं, अब घंटी बजाना भाई यार.
घंटी बजा देना, please. Every Friday we make videos about Senegal and our life, and this will benefit you. We will show you more of Senegal, and do comment. What would you like to know more about our life in Senegal or about Senegal? We will cover that in future. So do share the video, and till then, ciao ciao, bye bye.
शब्बा खैर. अब रब रखा. राम राम भाइया ने.